Let's see, this is a helix one. Let's see how this thing looks. Ooh, this is super cool. This thing is super cool. Hey, what is up guys? Hopefully you guys are absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. And in this episode of Tips and Tricks, I'll show you how you can get this kind of home screen transitions on your iPhone. It doesn't matter which iPhone you have, unless you have the iPhone 11 Pro Max or even the iPhone XS Max, you cannot get this feature. But this feature is available for iPhone X, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone, any other older iPhone that you have. So let's start without wasting any time and let me show you how you can get this kind of cool transitions, home screen transitions on your iPhone. Those looks amazing, blazing, super, I don't know what to express, but let's get started and let's see what are the features and how we can get this thing. So as you know that without jailbreak you cannot do a lot of things on your iPhone, so I just jailbreak my iPhone 7. It is super simple, and if you don't know how to jailbreak your iPhone, then you should watch my video on my YouTube channel that I already made, that how you can jailbreak your iPhone with Jailbreak. And as you can see here, I have Jailbreak and also the Cydia. So you need to go inside of Cydia and at first you should jailbreak. So it is the simple thing. So if you don't know how to jailbreak, then watch my jailbreak video. It will be really simple. Now just go to the search section, just search for cylinder, C-Y-L, as you can see, C-Y-L-I-N-D-A-R, cylinder. So this is the repo or app, or this is the key, I don't know what to say, but this is the thing what you need to get this kind of features. Let's confirm, and now it's installing, and we're just waiting for this thing to install. After this thing installs, as you can see, restart Springboard. Click on restart Springboard and now you are good to go. Here as you can see that my transitions are not changed. Of course your transitions will be the same. So what you have to do, go to the settings section. After that here just searching cylinder. Here as you can, this is cylinder. Here is the effect section, and in the effect section where you should go is, let me show you what you should do. In the effect section you just need to click on any effect. Let me click on something I may know, explosion. Okay, let's go to the explosion. Ooh, as you can see, not only that, here as you can see there are like a lot, I don't know how much, but I think here is around like 25 to 50 transitions that you will get. So this is how you need to activate. It is super simple. You just don't need to do like, it is not super hard. You don't need to do anything. So just install this package from Cydia, and after that you are good to go. Just choose the one you want. This is the focus one, as you can see. Ooh, this is super cool. Really, this is super cool. Anyway, so that is how you need to do the thing. Just jailbreak, download the package, and now you are good to go. Let's see, this is a helix one. Let's see how this thing looks. Ooh, this is super cool. This thing is super cool. Anyway, so without jailbreak you cannot get this kind of features, and this looks super cool and you will not find on any iPhone. So you can make people fool like, can you see this thing I have on my iPhone? You don't have this thing. So that is the simple tutorial for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed. That was really amazing. So if you like the video, you should thumbs up. If you didn't like, you should thumbs down. So that was all for this one. See you in another one. Till then, what you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon, and notification also maybe. Yeah, that was all. Bye.